Are you sick of everything in your life being toxic and negative? Do you believe that some relationships are preventing you from achieving the success and pleasure you deserve? If so, you've come to the correct spot. This video will lead you on a journey to help you move past toxic relationships and restart your life. Imagine living a life devoid of the ongoing drama, strain, and emotional upheaval that poisonous relationships frequently bring. Don't you think it sounds like a dream? That's not only feasible, but also within your grasp. We may overcome these difficult circumstances and come out stronger, smarter, and happier thanks to the wisdom of the Stoics. 1. Encircle yourself with positive people, according to Epictetus. Epictetus used to say, the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. In contrast to people that drag you down, this proverb highlights the value of surrounding yourself with positive and uplifted people. 2. Seneca. Act as the light in a shadowy universe. Seneca's saying, the only way to deal with a world without light is to become light yourself, serves as a helpful reminder that even in the midst of adversity, we have the ability to bring about the good change we wish to see. You can shine even more brightly, even though toxic people can dampen your light. 3. Seneca. Life's parts are not something to cry about. Seneca wisely remarked, is it really necessary to cry over certain aspects of life? It's all so tearful. This proverb exhorts us to put our own pleasure and well-being first and to let rid of poisonous people that only bring misery. 4. Epictetus. Develop satisfaction. According to Epictetus, no person has the power to have everything they want, but it is in their power not to want what they don't have. Unrealistic expectations are frequently the root cause of toxic partnerships. You may stay away from the disappointments that toxic individuals frequently bring by learning to be content with what you already have. 5. Marcus Aurelius. Be in a positive environment. According to Marcus Aurelius, the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. This emphasizes how crucial it is to surround oneself with people who encourage both your professional and personal development. 6. Seneca. Define your objectives and principles. The adage of Seneca, if a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable, serves as a reminder to have clear life objectives and principles. We can become misguided and lose sight of our real path as a result of toxic relationships. Continue on your path. 7. Seneca. Have the bravery to go. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult, is another wise statement from Seneca that uplifts us. This quotation serves as a gentle reminder to have the guts to leave unhealthy relationships and environments. You ought to be better. You have the knowledge to break yourself from unhealthy relationships and refocus your life after considering these profound Stoic statements. Never forget that you deserve progress, happiness, and positivity. Never allow anything or anyone to stop you. Let rid of poisonous relationships and individuals in order to embrace a better future.